It's pretty awesome.
It's called the Pacific Flyway for a reason, and in the spring, all kinds of birds make a stop in the Hagerman area.
The pelicans, the sandhill cranes, the eagles, the winter birds, the osprey are back.
This weekend, the Hagerman Bird Festival gives people an opportunity to learn more about these birds.
Oh, I like the birds. Hagerman is for the birds.
But there's more to this story. In 2002, Hagerman Idea Inc. began with locals who wanted to beautify Hagerman, and they did. But then it stalled out until 2016, when this nonprofit morphed into the Hagerman Valley Foundation, who has a goal to put together events to draw in tourism.
Restaurants will have people eating, and if we do something each month, then that helps the town stay in business and stay alive.
On Saturday, kids will be able to make art and sell it in a silent auction, and learn how to make an owl box and a birdhouse.
Heck here!
But they'll also be able to take a field trip, learn about rescuing birds and conservation.
This is our first definite attempt to get the kids to come. Mostly it's been the hikes. The adults come, they follow the Audubon birders around on field trips like Bill Jones Ranch behind the gate, or now the kayak float with Brenda.
Brenda Mitchell will lead a group of kayakers down Billingsley Creek in search of birds.
So it's really special because you're down in their habitat.
I can personally say it really does help
Northern Harrier.
to have someone who can identify the birds and where they fly.
It's just a really nice opportunity to get people out in touch with nature and in touch with the bird life.
And even if you aren't sure about birds, the guided field trips take people to some amazing places showcasing this hidden gem here in Idaho.
There's just so many things that this area has to offer. We're just getting started.
Steve Dent, Idaho News 6.